Hello my friends, my name is Murian-Coush Addem, and today it is about installing the SQLite database on the Windows. So we are on Windows 11 here, and we want to install SQLite on the Windows. So we type those search term, and then we get to the download page. And now here you see some download images. You can choose between some of those.
Sample database on SQLite. For free database tutorials, refer the link in the description. Extract all.
Okay, yeah, you're on the download page, and then go down, not to source code, but here to the precompile binaries for the Windows, and the one we will choose here is the is the x64 with the bundle in some way. So it's a zip file, and we are going to use this one. Okay, and now you see here this is some interesting stuff. So we have a zip file, and then we want to like maybe extract all. And then we have here another file, but this time it's actual file and not only zip. So we need to rename this to the SQLite, and then just go to our C in the Windows. So maybe go here. Oh no, not this way. Maybe this PC, and now we can put here the SQLite. So the SQLite will be just C and then SQLite, and you maybe copy this here, and then go into the environment variables, because the environment variable is used to make it able to run the code and run the database from everywhere. So the thing is, just go here to some user variable and or maybe even system variable, and add a new one, but this will be under the path. So let's just use the path, and here put the SQLite into, and yeah, now we should be able to see SQLite working. So we can just go into the CMD and type SQLite 3, and yeah, there it is. So thank you very much for taking a look. It's very important to know how to use the SQLite, and yeah, that has been it. Thank you very much, and we will check back in another video for sure. So see you then. Bye.